How to conduct concrete cube sampling step-by-step guide. Hi everyone. Welcome to Beyond Structures. Today, we'll be showing you how to properly conduct concrete cube sampling using a set of cube molds. This is a crucial step to ensure the strength and durability of concrete in construction projects. Let's dive in. Before we begin, here's what you'll need. A set of standard cube molds, 150 mm by 150 mm by 150 mm. The fresh concrete sample. A tamping rod. Hand trowel. Measuring scale. Lubricating oil or release agent. Identification tags or markers. First, apply a thin layer of oil inside the cube molds. This helps in easy demolding after the concrete sets. Make sure the molds are clean and properly assembled. Now, collect a representative sample of fresh concrete. Ensure it's well mixed and free from segregation before placing it into the cube molds. Fill each cube mold in 3 layers. After placing each layer, tamp the concrete 25 times using a tamping rod to remove air voids. Once filled, level the surface with a trowel. Mark each cube with an identification tag, including the date and batch number. After 24 hours, carefully remove the cubes from the molds and place them in a curing tank. This ensures proper hydration and strength development. Keep them submerged until testing at 7, 14, or 28 days. The final step is testing. Using a compression testing machine, apply pressure until the cube breaks. This determines the compressive strength of the concrete. Ensure you follow the standard testing procedures. And that's how you conduct concrete cube sampling. If you found this guide useful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more construction tutorials. See you in the next one.